Hi, welcome to e-learning at BTSC. Today we are going to guide you how to access your Google Classroom while sitting at home. First of all, on your computer, open the web browser and type in the URL. It's classroom.google.com. Click on Go to Classroom. Once the window opens, enter the email ID provided to you by the school. Click Next. Then enter your password. Then this screen will appear only at the first time you log in. Now, this is the dashboard of your classroom. And this is the account you want to sign in from. Click on Continue. Choose I am a student. Look, your teacher has invited you to a classroom. Click on Join. For any of the subject in class, you have to click on Join. Now, you have joined in for your biology class for grade 9. This is a stream where you can have all the discussion with your classmates and your teacher. Here, in the stream section, all the announcements, updates, and requirements for this subject are displayed. This acts more like a social platform like Twitter or Facebook, where social discussions are made. When you click on the Classwork tab, you will see all the topics that have been assigned on the left-hand side of the page. And you can see all the learning material and the assignments right in the center. Now, this is a PDF file. You can download it too for your access and further use offline. If you want to access an assignment to attempt it, click on the assignment and click on View Assignment. Read the instructions carefully and open your document. Get done with all the answers in your notebook and take snapshots. Once you are done, you can attach your work as files to submit it. Now, to upload, select files from your computer, which will be preferably the image files of snapshots you took of your notebook. Once your uploading is done, a button named Turn In will appear. Click on Turn In to submit your assignment to your instructor. Now, for instance, you had submitted your work, but you feel you still need to make amendments or any changes or editing. You can always go back and click Unsubmit. After clicking the Unsubmit button, make all the changes you wish to make, and then you can turn in your assignment again. If you want to approach your teacher, you can always leave a message in the private comment, so the teacher can get back to you and resolve your query. Now, let's talk about attempting a quiz. When you have to attempt a quiz, click on the assignment. Open the quiz in Google Forms. Fill in the required fields by entering the data in it. Once you are done with attempting all the questions in your quiz, submit it by clicking on the Submit button. After clicking Submit, go back to your classroom and mark assignment as done. This was all about accessing and operating your Google Classroom. Stay tuned for further updates and demonstrations. Thank you.